Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
WhatsApp Business Platform for Developers, Lecture 1. In this lecture, we will learn about WhatsApp Business Platform, Introduction to WhatsApp Business Platform, Overview of WhatsApp Business and its features, Understanding the benefits of using WhatsApp for business communication, Introduction to the WhatsApp Business API and its capabilities, Exploring the use cases for integrating WhatsApp into business applications, Conclusion. Introduction to WhatsApp Business Platform. Good morning everyone, and welcome to our presentation on the WhatsApp Business Platform. In today's fast-paced business world, effective communication is more important than ever. That's why we're excited to introduce you to WhatsApp Business, a powerful tool that can help you connect with your customers in new and meaningful ways. With WhatsApp Business, you can send messages, make calls, and even share files with your customers, all from one easy-to-use platform. And best of all, WhatsApp Business is designed specifically for businesses like yours, so you can be sure that you're getting the features and functionality you need. So whether you're looking to improve customer engagement, streamline your communication processes, or simply stay ahead of the competition, WhatsApp Business has something for you. We hope you'll join us as we explore this exciting new platform together. Overview of WhatsApp Business and its features. WhatsApp Business is a powerful tool for enhancing business communication. With features like quick replies, labels, and automated messages, businesses can streamline their customer interactions and provide better service. Quick replies allow businesses to save and reuse frequently sent messages, saving time and effort. Labels make it easy to organize conversations and keep track of important information. Automated messages can be used to send out greetings, confirmations, and other types of messages automatically, freeing up staff to focus on more complex tasks. Understanding the benefits of using WhatsApp for business communication. One of the key benefits of using WhatsApp for business communication is improved customer engagement. With over 2 billion active users, WhatsApp provides businesses with a direct line of communication to their customers, allowing them to easily reach out and respond to inquiries or concerns. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Another benefit of using WhatsApp for business communication is increased efficiency. By using WhatsApp's messaging platform, businesses can streamline their communication processes and reduce response times. This can be especially useful for businesses with high volumes of customer inquiries, such as e-commerce or logistics companies. Introduction to the WhatsApp Business API and its capabilities. The WhatsApp Business API is a powerful tool that allows businesses to communicate with their customers on a more personal level. With features such as automated messaging and customer support, businesses can provide a seamless experience for their customers. Automated messaging enables businesses to send messages to their customers automatically based on predefined triggers or events. This can include order confirmations, shipping updates, and even personalized recommendations based on previous purchases. Customer support capabilities allow businesses to provide quick and efficient support to their customers through the WhatsApp platform. Exploring the use cases for integrating WhatsApp into business applications. One of the most exciting aspects of WhatsApp Business is its potential for integration into various business applications. From e-commerce to logistics, there are numerous use cases where WhatsApp can enhance communication and streamline operations. For example, in the e-commerce industry, businesses can use WhatsApp to provide real-time updates on order status, share product recommendations, and even facilitate transactions. In the logistics industry, WhatsApp can be used to track shipments, coordinate with drivers, and communicate with customers about delivery times. Conclusion. In conclusion, the WhatsApp Business Platform is a powerful tool that enables businesses to enhance their communication and customer engagement strategies. It offers a range of features and functionalities designed specifically for businesses, allowing them to connect with their customers more efficiently and effectively. By utilizing the WhatsApp Business Platform, businesses can establish a professional presence on the platform, create automated messaging experiences, and provide personalized customer support. This platform also enables businesses to send timely notifications, share updates, and promote their products or services directly to their customers. Moreover, the WhatsApp Business Platform offers valuable insights and analytics, empowering businesses to track their messaging performance, understand customer preferences, and make data-driven decisions to improve their overall marketing and customer service strategies. Overall, the WhatsApp Business Platform provides businesses with a unique opportunity to leverage the popularity and ubiquity of WhatsApp to build stronger relationships with their customers, drive growth, and ultimately enhance their overall business success. With its user-friendly interface, comprehensive features, and extensive reach, the WhatsApp Business Platform has become an indispensable tool for businesses across various industries.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.